scenario, we all know about that there is must hampered your academic career, your study life, as well as your future life. Academic session is also hampered as because there is we are going to maintain the nationalized lockdown to fight against the coronavirus and to protect our humanity from the virus affection, isn't it? But lockdown means nothing but to spend all the time for enjoying TV series, to enjoy your Netflix or enjoying any Prime videos and enjoying any type of web series or streaming live streaming videos. But it is the crucial time you have to think that after overcoming all the critical situation, it is the main time for your exam or for your career. So why not we can go and utilize this lockdown situation for our future. So guys, if you are a BTech engineering final year student and for searching the topic that can help you to submit your final year project, then I am telling you that you are in a right place here. So guys, before going to detail discussion about this video, I am introducing myself that hi, it's Udita and you are watching Udita's Classroom. So today's video is related about the one of the 5 best final year project topics that I am going to tell you. But here I am not telling the total all over, but I am giving you some brief idea, and you can go with this way. And this is not absolutely that particular project, but I am here for helping you the idea with some hardware equipments and the application and the basic operating principle at all. So guys, just one thing is that before going to detailed description, I am requesting you, if you are newcomer in my channel and seeing my face for the first time, then please subscribe my channel, because when you subscribe my channel, you will get all type of notification related about job notification, though it will government job or it will be private job, and as well as some online or part-time job as well, and also some engineering tips and tricks, and also some tricky method how to crack any type of exam. So let's get started. So guys, coming to the first point, waste and garbage recycling vending machine project. Nowadays, with the increasing quantity of waste generated and restricted lowland house for waste disposal, utilization is one in all the necessary approaches to manage the waste effectively. Our garbage recycling system will helpful to segregate the recycled waste from the non-recyclable one, and also provide monetary benefits to the person, which in turn will boost the morale of people to recycle their waste. So, depending upon the basic principle that barcodes would be attached to the garbage bag, and barcode will be having the total information whether the garbage to be recycled is recyclable or is to be disposal. So depending upon this type of principle, you can go with this project. And also this project can be implemented in case of a conveyor belt or the way to barcode reader scanner and the bag, and then determines the type of garbage, and the end of the conveyor there is servo motor arrangement must be attached, and where you can do any recyclable waste is calculated, and the user is provided with the amount of proportion to be weighed. Now come here, some hardware specification may be required, some barcode obviously required, register, DC motor or servo motor, LCD for displaying purpose, load cell and conveyor, relay, adapter, PCB, cable or connector, diode, LED. These basic components is required as the hardware specification. RF controlled solar panel based robotic vehicles, where in this solar panel project solar power based robotic vehicles is integrated with 360-degree camera, and the Atmega 328 series of microcontroller is used to achieve its desired operation. As we all know, this is the technological era represents the robotic arm control anything. So we can go with some RF controlled depending upon some solar panel based robotic vehicles, and this type of project can be implemented in some observing the area and any type of security purpose you can use this. So, depending upon the basic principle of this project, that robotic vehicles movement can be controlled using here radio frequency technology for the remoting purpose, and where push button is connected at the transmitter end, and with the help of this push button the receiver is able to receive some commands, and according to the commands they can send are used to control the movement of the robotic arm, and where some solar panel is used here. So we can pointing out now hardware specification, where obviously solar panel is required. The specification is 12 volt 5 watt LCD register transistor diode LED push button IC. These are the very minimal components and basic components, where Atmega 328P is one of the important components here, and crystal oscillator, capacitor, PCB and breadboard obviously required here. Then transformer, switch and obviously IC socket is required as the hardware specification of this particular project. Greenhouse monitoring and control system using IoT project. A greenhouse is where plants such as flowers and vegetables are grown. Greenhouse warm up during the day when sun rays penetrates through it, which heats the plant, soil and structure. Greenhouse help to protect crops from many diseases, particularly those that are soil-borne and splash onto the plant in the rain. Greenhouse temperature should not go below a certain degree. High humidity can result to crop the transpiration and some condensation of water vapor on various greenhouse surface and water evaporation from the humidical solid. To overcome such challenges, the greenhouse monitoring and control system comes to rescue the plants from this type of problems. Basic principle depending upon this project, that the greenhouse monitoring and control system come to rescue depending upon the mentioned control at ease, where Atmega 328 microcontroller, and it consists of temperature sensor, light sensor, soil moisture sensor, LDR sensor, LCD display module, etc. are used here for monitoring and controlling purpose. So some components are required, where Atmega controller, Wi-Fi, LCD, moisture sensor. These are very important components for this project, and where you can use resistor, capacitor, cable connector, PCB, breadboard, LED, diode, push button, IC socket, switches, transistors as well as diodes are the basic components required for this particular project. Voice operated home appliances control system, where device control with voice is one of the main area about the future research. So basically we are going to control the home appliances using some voice based command. Talking about voice operated device controlling, we can say that roughly there are two types of controlling operations. First one, user has to speak in a microphone that is connected to the electronic circuit, and the another type is that user can speak in Android mobile or any other devices, and then this device sends commands to the project through the wireless communication technique. You may choose the second one as because using this second type of technique you have to reduce the human effort, and user don't have to get up from this place to control the device. Voice recognition technology is used inside the Android app, and we can control the device by using our voice. So this can be applied for the really useful for the physical handicapped people and senior citizen also. And voice control home appliances have many applications including device controlling inside your home as well as some automatic industry. Where some components that are basic requirement, that is Bluetooth or receiver and decoder. That function of this element is to decode the signal received from the voice application on Android mobile, and it gives the output to the microcontroller. So we can use here as 8051 or 8951 microcontroller. If you want to know any type of microcontroller related question, then check my link I will provide in my description box, or you can see the I button. LCD display, relay and obviously buzzer for the output purpose. Next come with the last, that is medication reminder using PIC microcontroller. The project take care for reminder need of people who forget to take medicine in time. Keypad entry stores the relevant information with several timing based on RTC, that is real time clock IC. At the programmed time, the message for the medicine time is displayed over a 16-digit LCD display together with a buzzer sounds to alert the person for taking the appropriate medicine in appropriate time. So, basic principle of this project, if we talk, that the project uses one real-time clock for the real-time reference that interfered to the microcontroller pins. And a matrix telephone keypad is used to enter the multiple timings of the multiple medicine as per the program display on the LCD. Now enter or set the time for the RTC. After the set the medicine in time, when the program times of the clock reaches the set time and the output is logic 1, then the buzzer is alarming out, and which is to draw the attention of the person to view the name of the medicine on the LCD for tracking the same in right time. So where we can apply this? Elderly people, because of their age, usually forget to take their medicine. This project will helpful to remind that type of patients to take their medicines as prescribed time and one by one. So for this particular project, some hardware component and the power supply PIC microcontroller is required here. We can see the number, that is DS1307 RTC, BC547, keypad, capacitor, buzzer, LCD, LED push button, 1N4007 IC, and as well as registers are main important components for this particular project. Hopefully this video is quite helpful to you for searching and for thinking what type of project you will be choose for your final year submission, isn't it? So guys, if you being helpful really, then please like my videos, subscribe my channel, keep supporting my channel, and one thing is that please share my video, because you share this through your friend circle, then other guys will be helpful from this video, I think. And if you have any queries, please write in my comment section below. I will definitely try my best to clear all your doubts. Thanks for watching guys. Take care. Goodbye.